We just received information tungkol dun sa pangyayari dun sa PISCO, dun yung Philippine Sea Games Organizing Committee, no? And we in possession of documents already na meron talaga kailangan imbestigahan because there are a huge amount of money na na-involved dito. If you recall, there was no bidding na ginawa rito, tapos unliquidated, so marami na kailangan tignan. That's why I'm creating a unit ngayon, a task force na composed of our financial unit, financial investment unit, saka financial investigation unit, saka ang aming special action unit to investigate on the matter. We will coordinate with the SEC, the COA, and also will seek help of the PCDA para magkaroon ng clear dito. As we speak now, wala ko naman tayong sasabihin na na-identify, but there are already personalities na nakikita natin ito sa Parlamento. So, sa initial na pumasok sa atin.
Okay, sir.
Sir, bakit, just for the record, bakit po may renewed interest po dito sa pag-imbestiga sa SEA Games? Although, field na siya ng controversies before, and, the head of FISGOC was Alan Peter Cayetano.
Well, I'm aware of that. Is the chairman of PISCOG, So, hindi naman to renewed interest. It so happened na may mga lumabas kayo na dokumento which will lead us to investigate. Kasi lahat naman talaga ng issue na pumapasok dito with regards to corruption or anything, even ordinary cases, pag dinala sa amin, we will investigate. So, it so happened, this is medyo controversial, narinig ko naman yan, nakita ko yung mga news noon. So once and for all, you settled it kung meron ba talagang dapat managot o wala, or kung ano talaga yung investigation. So, kailangan nating magkaroon ng report dito.
Sir, for the record lang, kasi di ba, you were saying yesterday na you have visited the place in Clark for the NBI Academy.
Yes,
so, this is incidental lang po sa pagbisita nyo, just for the record.
Incidental lang to kasi we are very thankful with PCDA for providing us 70 hectares for our NBI Academy. At the same time, nakita natin dun yung sports complex na malaki. And sumunod dito, may mga pumasok na sa atin na documents and informations that will lead us to come out with the investigation.
Sir, how can, of course, baka lang makulayin na naman ang politika kasi syempre, hindi kayo, parang lagi kayong nagbabangayan kasi ni Senator Cayetano. So, how can the public be assured na this will be an impartial investigation?
Unang-una, hindi naman ako nakikipagbangayan sa kanya. I'm always respectful to everybody, especially to the member of the Senate. It so happens siguro na siya involved dito, no? At tayo naman, ang record naman ng NBI, we'll always go where the evidence will lead us, kung ano yung batas, kung ano yung proseso, no? So, kung sa kailangan natin siyang tanungin, we will respectfully ask him and to give light to this. And I'm sure si Senator Alan, kung siya kasama rin dito, I'm sure that he will appreciate na maimbestigahan natin ito ng maayos.